Gurudev students, in the previous part we have completed the first problem of exercise 4.4. Now the second problem. Find the values of a k for which the following quadratic equation so that they have equal roots. Means here in the first we will see the first problem, that is 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. The coefficient of a x is a k. Means here we have to find the value of a k. But for that these quadratic equation have two equal roots, and we are having a condition for the two equal roots is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Means how we will solve this problem? On comparing the given equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 2, b is equal to k and c is equal to 3. We will find b square minus 4ac's value, that is k square minus, why k square? Because the value of a b is a k square minus 4 into 2a and the value of a c is a 3. So we will get here b square minus 4ac is equal to k square minus 24. Since the given quadratic equation have two equal roots, therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. What's the value of a b square minus 4ac is a k square minus 24. K square minus 24 is equal to 0. So k square is equal to 24. So k is equal to plus minus under root of 24. But 24 is not a perfect square of any number. We can factorize, that is 4 into 6. So what we will get here, k is equal to plus minus square root of 4 is a 2 root 6. So for k is equal to plus minus 2 root 6, the given equation has two equal roots. Second problem, kx in the bracket x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. But are you finding this is a quadratic equation? No. First of all, we have to solve these equation. Kx into x is a kx square minus kx into minus 2 is a minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. So this is a quadratic equation we have to equate with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now standard form is here is a plus b, here is a plus c. That's why what we had taken in this problem, we had taken as a plus as outside, and because of minus 2k we had taken as in the bracket of which is the coefficient of x, plus 6 is equal to 0. We get a is equal to k. What's the coefficient of x square is a k. What's the value of b? Minus 2k. And what's the value of c? C is a 6. We will find b square minus 4ac minus 2k square minus 4 into k into 6, that is 4k square minus 24k. So here we got the value of a b square minus 4ac, but in terms of a k. Since the given quadratic equation has two equal roots, therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So here we will substitute the value of a b square minus 4ac, that is 4k square minus 24k, which is equal to 0. Here again the quadratic equation we are finding, that's why we will find the roots by taking out the common, because third term is not a present, that is a constant term. 4k is a common. Here is a left is a k minus 6, which is equal to 0. There are the two factors, one is 4k and another is k minus 6. On equating the each factor which is equal to 0, what we will get? 4k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0. So k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 6. But is it possible both the values should be the values of a k? So we will check. If k is equal to 0, then the given equation becomes, if we will substitute the value of a k is equal to 0, then this whole value, whole term will vanish and we will get only 6 is equal to 0, and which is impossible because 6 is equal to 0, which is impossible. Therefore for 6 k is equal to 6, the given equation has two equal roots. Third problem, is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. mango grove, rectangular mango grove we have to make, whose length is twice its breadth. Means here what we will consider, let the breadth of a rectangular mango grove be x meter. So what is the length of the rectangular mango grove? Is a twice of the breadth, that is 2x. Area of rectangular mango grove they have given here in the problem, that is 800 meters square. So what is the area of a rectangular mango grove? Length into breadth, which is equal to 800. 2x into x, which is equal to 800. 2x square is equal to 800. X square is equal to 400. So what is the value of x? X is equal to plus minus under root of 400, and square root of 400 is nothing but 20. So x is equal to plus minus 20. But we will take as a positive, that is 20, because breadth never be a negative. Breadth is equal to 20 meter and length is equal to twice, means 40 meter. So but they had asked here whether it is possible. Yes, it is possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth. Fourth problem, is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of ages of a two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their age in years was 48. Now they had asked the given situation is possible or not. First of all, we have to consider that is two friends. Let the two friends be A and B. We will say their name should be A and B. Let the present age of A be x years and the present age of a B be 20 minus x years. Why it is 20 minus x years we have taken? Because the sum of ages of a two friend is 20 years. So 4 years ago, age of A will be x minus 4 years. And what is 4 years ago age of B is equal to 20 minus x. Minus 4 means this is the age of a B. From there we have to subtract minus 4. So we will get 16 minus x years. Now they had given the condition, that is the product of their age 4 years ago is 48. Means x minus 4 into 16 minus x is equal to 48. This is the multiplication of two bracket. We have to solve this. So by x we will solve 16 minus x, by minus 4 16 minus x, which is equal to 48. There is a brackets multiplication. 16 into x is 16x, minus x into x is x square, minus 16 into 4 is 64, minus plus 4 into x is a 4x, which is equal to 48. Now minus x square, 16x plus 4x is a 20x, minus 64. We will shift here minus 48, which is equal to 0. We will get here as a minus x square plus 20x minus 112, which is equal to 0. Their sum is minus 120. The coefficient of x square never be a negative. That's why we will multiply the whole equation by minus 1. X square minus 20x plus x square minus 20x plus 112, which is equal to 0. Now you are finding this is a quadratic equation. On comparing it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get what's the coefficient of x square? 1. What's the value of a b? We will get minus 20. And what's the value of a c is 112. Now we have to find b square minus 4ac. Minus 20 square, because the value of b is minus 20, minus 4 into 1 into 112, that is 400 minus 448. Now this that is a subtraction of this number is minus 48, and minus 48 is less than 0. Since b square minus 4ac less than 0, therefore the roots will not exist, and the given equation have a no real roots. Therefore the given situation is not a possible, because they had asked is it possible the given situation. The answer will be no, the given situation is not a possible. Fifth problem, is it possible to design a rectangular park of a perimeter 80 meter and area is a 400 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. Here they had asked that is it possible to design a rectangular park whose perimeter is 80 meter but area is 400 meters square. Now and if so, find its length and breadth. Let the length of a rectangular park be x meter. So what is the perimeter of a rectangular park is twice L plus B. Perimeter is given 80, which is equal to 2 in the bracket length we had considered x plus breadth, which is breadth. Okay, breadth we haven't considered. We will get from this equation. 80 which is equal to 2 into x plus b. We will shift 2 here. So 80 upon 2 which is equal to x plus b. This is a 40 which is equal to x plus b. So what is the breadth we will get? We will shift x here. So we will get the breadth in terms of x is 40 minus x meter. And what is the length is x meter we had considered. Breadth we got 40 minus x meter. Area of rectangular park they had given length into breadth, and that is 400 meters square, which is equal to, what is length we are having, x. What is the breadth? 40 minus x. 40 into x is a 40x minus x into x is x square. We will shift all the terms to the left hand side. So negative will become a positive and positive will become a negative. X square minus 40x plus 400, which is equal to 0. Are you finding this is a quadratic equation? So on comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get, what's the value of a on comparing? 1. What's the value of a b? Minus 40. What's the value of a c? Is a 400. So we will find b square minus 4ac, which is equal to minus 40 square minus 4 into 1 into 400. That is 1600 minus 1600, which is equal to 0. Since b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, roots will exist. They are real and equal. So how we will get the roots? That roots by using a quadratic formula. What's the quadratic formula? X is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is a quadratic formula. We will substitute the value of a b, and already b square minus 4ac we had find, that is 0. So minus in the bracket minus 40 upon 2 into 1, which is 40 upon 2, which is equal to 20. So x is equal to 20 and x is equal to 20. We will get the value of x. Length 20 meter and breadth is 40 minus 20 means 20 meter. Now length and breadth both are same, means is it possible to design? Yes, it is possible to design a rectangular park of a perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meters square. But this rectangular park will be a square because length is also same and breadth is also same. Here the lesson number 4 is completed and the home assignment 1. This is home assignment 2. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.